Hello again, crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do my part one of my May 2020 layout share. I haven't been doing a lot of process videos, just a lot of stuff going on at home and stuff, but I have reached 100 subscribers, so I will be doing a video on my prize pack giveaway for all my subscribers, so stay tuned for another video on that coming up today. I've been using collection kits, and this one was Echo Park Little Monsters or something. I don't know what it was. I can't remember, but I got several layouts done and completed the whole collection pack. So there's that. It's a double layout. So this is one. I did this for a challenge during National Scrapbooking Weekend, and I never submitted it, but here's the second one. Same collection. I used my homemade flares. There's a process video for this on my website. I was experimenting with a tab punch, just trying to get some different things in my albums. This was for my design team audition with Creative Memories. However, I was unable to do that because I am now a Close to My Heart consultant, so I will no longer be able to create for another company. This was, again, with the Little Monsters Echo Park collection. I used my stamp and colored the little guys. There's a process video on this one. If you see these little tags right here, on my wall over here, I hang up, and I'm trying to get a rainbow, so I wrote out the colors that I wanted and trying to get them used up. But there's a process video for this one. There's a process video for this one. I had used all the Echo Park Little Monsters. I don't know. I'll have to look to see what that's called. And I moved on to the Photo Play for the Love of Summer. So there's a video on this one, and I was wanting to start using my stamps more. Same collection. I was using page map sketch for this with all the circles. Same collection, another page map sketch, and I did a lot of line drawing on that. Again, same collection. This one I got a lot of layouts done out of this one collection, so, and I had a lot of circles left over, so I kind of just went with it. Used some of my splatters, some rub-ons. That's a double page layout, obviously, because this is one side A, and that's the side B. So these are just really old photos of when I was a little girl, I think 35 years ago. There's a process video on this one, and I had been taking some mixed media classes at scrapbook.com, so just to try to make myself use the products that I have. Another mixed media layout, and I get some of my stencils out and some of my paste, my modeling paste and stuff, because I had opened one and it was hard, and I realized, well, obviously I paid for it, I need to use it. There's this one. This is all done with the Photo Play for the Love of Summer kit. Still Photo Play. This was all the branding strips that I had left, and as you know, if you've watched my channel for a while, you know that I try to use every little bit. So that's a double layout. Did a lot of doubles this month so far. Still Photo Play. I really like this sketch. It was done on an 8x11, or 8.5 by 11, but I went to Tuesday morning the other day, and I got the ticket punch, so punched out a whole bunch of tickets and used my Nuvo drops. Still Photo Play. This one, I don't know if I used a sketch for that or not. And then this is my first collection with Close to My Heart, and it is it's the Blue Skies workshop. It's not a workshop, but it's like all the papers and the sticker, and oh my gee, I love it. I also got a tag die set from them, and punched out a whole bunch of tags. And then this is also with the Blue Skies kit, more of a simple layout, but I really just wanted to kind of showcase some of the papers, and this was my title. It was off the sticker sheet, and I really like, because I don't know if you can see that, like their stickers have some sheen and then some not. Like some of it has the little glossy on it. I made this one, and there will be a process video for this coming up. I just haven't edited it yet. And then I did this one this morning using the same collection. So yeah, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Click that subscribe button below. Stay tuned for my 100 prize pack subscriber giveaway for your chance to win. And in the links below, I will have my Close to My Heart website and stuff if you would like to order this Blue Skies kit. It is, I believe it's on sale this month for National Scrapbooking Month. So go ahead and take advantage of that and get a hold of me if you would like anything. So thanks. Bye, guys.